Today, we will be going over some tips, information, and benefits regarding VA loans in Louisiana. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know all about living in Ascension Parish and surrounding areas in Louisiana, subscribe below, tap the bell to be notified, and be the first to know about the real estate market and what's going on in Ascension Parish. My name is Amy with Team Love Where You Live, and my business partner Maria and I will be talking about home buying and selling, steps, tips and tricks, subdivisions in our area, things to do, places to go in the many videos that you'll find on our channel. If you're moving now, next month, or next year, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we're happy to help you make your move. A VA loan is one of the most useful military benefits if you qualify. You can buy an existing home or build a new home using a VA purchase loan. So this allows qualified service members to buy a home with zero down on closing day. Now, closing costs may still apply in some cases. You can also do a VA cash out refinance. So if you've owned your home for a time and you have some equity in the home, this is an option to help turn some home equity into cash. Also, the last type of VA loan I will touch on is a rehab or a renovation loan that you can also utilize your VA benefits to get a VA special loan. In many cases, VA loans are available with zero down, with great rates and financing term. And a huge benefit over other typical mortgages is there is usually no private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI. PMI typically amounts to several $100s monthly, so this is a significant break for a homeowner and borrower. For most service members and veterans who qualify, a VA loan is the most valuable benefits and is a win-win over other traditional mortgage loan options. VA loans are issued by private lenders. They are backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, which is why they can be offered oftentimes with little to no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. And since the 1940s, the VA has helped over 25 million service people purchase homes using a VA loan program, according to VA statistics and military.com. Are you eligible to use a VA loan? If you have served on active duty for at least 90 days or met a variety of other service benchmarks created for Guard and Reserve members, the answer is likely yes. Qualification: had 6 years of service either in the Reserves or National Guard, served at least 181 days of active service during peacetime, have 90 cumulative days of active service under Title 10 or Title 32. For Title 32 service, at least 30 of those days must have been consecutive. Or if you're the spouse of a military service member who either died in the line of duty or as a result of service-related disability. The process: like any mortgage process, obtaining a VA home loan has several important steps you must take before you get the keys to your home. The very first thing you need to do is find a VA-approved lender and get pre-approved. And we can help you connect with some wonderful lenders who can assist you. VA loans are some of the only loans that offer no down payment. With conventional loans, you, the buyer, are required to pay up to 3 to 20% down, which can often make it a challenge to purchase if you don't have adequate money reserved for this purpose. With a VA home loan, there's no PMI. This can save hundreds of dollars per month versus conventional loans, depending on how much you borrow or put down. A VA home loan has more lenient lending policy, allowing you to qualify for a VA loan when you might not meet all the requirements for a traditional loan. VA loan funding fees. Nearly every VA loan comes with a VA funding fee. This fee goes directly to the Department of Veteran Affairs and helps back the VA loans of the future. Not everyone has to pay this fee, such as military men and women with a service-related disability. fees range from a little over 2% for the first-time VA loan recipient to 3.3% for repeat home buyers. This good news is you can roll this fee into your loan amount. In addition, closing costs are often less, and sometimes the seller can pay these too. It's encouraged to have a professional realtor on your side working with you to ensure your best interest is being served, and that's where Maria and I come in. VA loan limits. In the past, the VA capped the amount of money available for a VA home loan, but as of recent years, the VA no longer mandates loan limits. The amount that you can qualify for on a VA loan will vary, depending on a number of factors. One of the biggest factors is your debt-to-income ratio. It helps to determine the amount you can afford comfortably and pay each month. How do you verify that you're eligible for a VA loan? Reach out directly to the VA, gather the evidence and document required, submit it to the VA, and receive a COE, Certificate of Eligibility. The COE verifies to the lender that you qualify for a VA-backed loan. In order to obtain a VA home loan, you must first provide the COE. This certificate is issued through the Veterans Administration. Veterans, active duty, Guard and Reserve members, and military spouses all potentially qualify for this certificate. Please remember that the COE, while necessary, only allows an eligible individual to apply for a home loan. It does not guarantee final loan approval. Once you have contacted a lender who can handle your VA loan, they will guide you along the way to ensure that all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. One last significant benefit for veterans buying homes in Louisiana is Homestead Exemption. One more benefit to buyers in Louisiana: a tax exemption on the first $75,000 of the value of one's home. Take the value of your home, subtract $75,000, and the balance is what you're taxed on for property tax purposes. All you have to do after your sale has closed is apply for Homestead Exemption with the parish that your home is in. It's simple and it doesn't cost you anything. This can often be done online or in person in most cases. We hope this has been helpful to you. Should you have any specific questions, please comment below or email, text, or call us. We'd be more than happy to help. Whether purchasing your primary residence, upsizing or downsizing, if you're shopping for a place for your kids to live while they're in college, or an investment property for rental purposes, we would love to help you to take care of your real estate needs. Let us know when you're ready to get started. We're here to walk beside you through the process. And I'd like to denote that I got a lot of my information from military.com.